Okay, are you excited about your new listing?
I am a little nervous, but excited at the same time.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. It's
Yeah.
okay.
And
It's
how
okay.
do you handle all the because obviously in this market, multiple bidding, how do you handle that?
Are you talking about multiple offers?
Yeah.
Well, you gather all those multiple offers and then present all of those offers to your client.
You just let them, you don't, I don't
Well,
know.
I mean, they're there to kind of rely on you as well. You definitely want to make sure that you share your wisdom and your expertise. You can be very detailed about it and have an Excel spreadsheet with all the pros and cons of each offer. Um,
Okay.
you can do it that way. Some people are a little bit more visual, they're a little bit more analytical. So you can do a spreadsheet, especially if you're going to be getting multiple offers, if you're getting like 5, 6, 7, 10, 15. I heard stories about 30, 40 offers, right? Um, so, um, but dedicate the time where you can go out there and you can present those offers to your client.
Okay.
Most likely, you're going to get multiple offers this weekend. Also in the MLS, you can specify, as long as your client is okay with it, that all offers will be reviewed on Monday or on Sunday. Obviously, get that okay from your client, right? And then just present all of those offers to your seller.